Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research before doing anything, of course. So yes, 1 second here. Let's go ahead and pull up these chats and also these charts really quickly before we get started. All right, let's see here. Let's see. All right, I think we pulled that up. That's great. Now time to tell the team members that we're on live. All right, let's see here. Let's see. All right, let's see here. All right, let's see. All right, yep, TikTok live now. Everyone knows that we're on live. Yo, what's up? Myra, good to see you. Good morning. Yo, J-Rad, what's up, bro? Yep, gotcha. We can definitely pull those charts up. 1 second here. So, Qs, of course, we're going to go over that. Tesla, we will. I do want to pull up a couple more tabs just really quickly. All right, just give me 1 second here. So, you want to see Lulu as well. Yep, gotcha, bro. Let's do it. We're going to pull that up as well. All right, let's see here. Let's see. All right, cool. So, yeah, let's go over the Qs first. My bad, guys. Making sure everything's all set in order so we're ready for the day. All right, cool. So, QQQ. Let's get off this 24-hour chart. Let's go to this 1 hour, and let's break this down. And I think I did end up seeing. Hold on, let's see here. All right, so yeah, doesn't look bad. I will say we may or may not have a decent move on this one today. So hold on, let's see, 621. Hold on, let's see, 621, 61. Let me look this 1 hour really quickly. All right, so yeah, it looks like pretty much the same thing here. I do like this. I mean, clear as day, empty space there. Basically a nice little gap up that I would love to take to the upside if we can get that little entry, which looks really good. Let me see here. So nice top, bottom wall there. Empty space is above us. So yeah, what I can see is, yeah, we got a nice little pocket here that we would need to break and close above, and we break and close above that. Empty space was at 623, so looks really good. All right, so yeah, right now we're just in that box. Hopefully we can stay inside this box here, because I believe yesterday a few of the plays wanted to just go up pretty wildly, and yeah, it was pretty crazy. So yeah, that's what I can see to the upside. That's what I like there. To the downside, let me take a look here. So, let's see. So, I guess you can see, say there's little pockets here. So, hold on, let's see here. So, obviously, yes, we got another little box here that looks really good. So, pretty much a nice 45-minute chart, 30-minute chart, pretty much same thing. Empty space from this 615 down to the 612. And maybe I would take it down to that 611. We'll just have to see how things play out, if it wants to give us this move. All right, pretty cool. I have no clue why. I'm getting a lot of phone calls right now. All right, so yeah, that's that. That's what I can see, which looks good. Obviously, there's I guess you could say there's a small little pocket here, but this is not really a box, so just letting you know before anyone, tries to roast me, and this is like a very small move, but there's a little play in there too. Yo, Dallas, what's up? Yeah, good to see you, bro. All right, so yeah, we'll do Tesla. Let me see here. ECDA. All right, yeah, we'll pull that up too as well. Fabby, thanks for the hearts, appreciate it. I don't see you, so yeah, I will be on live, probably, or at least on my regular live streams, hopefully later today or tomorrow. So yeah, I'm still recovering. I'm good though now, so I'm feeling a lot better. Jose, what's up? Sickness, what's up, my guy? Good to see you, bro. All right, so Tesla, let's take a look here. Honestly, okay, this is what I see here, which, you know, doesn't look bad. I still like the upside, which is pretty nice. So yes, we basically had this box here, and then above this 469. Hold up, maybe I should write some things down. That'll be good. Let me see. Let's see. Tesla. All right, cool. So yeah, above that 469, I want to see the empty space up to that 478. But I think I did end up going to a lower time frame here, and I can't lie to you, there might be another little play here, just maybe, since we did end up creating another little empty space wall box, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, so I do also see, hold on, let's see, where's my brush? All right, cool, we got it. So yeah, right here above that 464 area, we end up breaking above there, could see up to that 467, and then might end up leaving a louder runner trying to reach this upside here. So that's what I would love to see if that ends up playing out. But yeah, looks good. So entry, exit, middle of the move, empty space. So right now we're still in this box, we're still in this chop mode. So this is a great sign for me, since the play hasn't happened. Downside, I do like the downside, doesn't look bad. So wick, body candle there. Under that 461, 458. Actually not a bad move if we can end up getting it for sure. So yeah, we shall see, we shall see. And yes, if anyone has any requests, anything you want me to go over, just drop those in the comments right now. Alright, cool. But yes, if anyone's wondering, I will be back on my regular live stream really soon. Alright, cool. So yeah, that's on Tesla. Tesla looks pretty nice. Alright, let's see here. Let's see. Lift. Wait for QQ. Can you zoom out sometimes? Gives a good visual of what to expect overall. Yeah, I got you. 1 second here. Let me just change this song really quickly. Alright, so you want me to just zoom out pretty much? Yeah, I got you. 1 second here. So yeah, I mean, this is just what I've seen. Obviously, this downside here, honestly, I probably would end up so I did this actually on the 45-minute, but I think the 1 hour looks a lot better for me. So hold on, I'm gonna tweak this up. So the 1 hour chart looks good. Still gonna keep those same targets pretty much, but I might end up just taking it down here. So give me 1 second. So I do like this a little bit better. So this is on the 1 hour chart. So the 45-minute was cool, but the 1 hour I think is a lot better, a lot more clean. So yeah, there's empty space there. Pretty much just tweak those up a bit. I did see that if we do want to drop a little bit more, there's a small little play here. So we will have to, this is not really a Potter box. This is more of just like a range, I would say. So under that 618 down to that 617. So a little small move. If I end up taking that, it would be like a lotto for me, and then see if we can get down here. That's what I would want. Yo, Morgan, what's up? What indicator do you have on for the blue lines? I mean, it's just a horizontal line. Like if you want to see it, hold on, let's see. There we go. So yeah, it's literally just a horizontal line. So trend line tools, and then boom, horizontal line. That's just that. I'm using the Potter box if that's your question though. So pretty much every day, same trades, same plays. You can see what happened yesterday. This one took literally all day, but we ended up hitting that. You can see what happened in the queues, a couple other plays as well. You can see how we called out plays, and then we get in, we get out, If we hit them, cool. If we don't, that's fine. You can see what happened, Friday. So just last week, a few members hitting a couple trades. So these blue lines in this box, you see, those go hand in hand. And they help me with my entries and my exits, if that makes sense. All right, cool. All right, so that's there. NVIDIA, we got to go over Lulu. Let's go over SPY on the 2 hour. Yeah, let's do it. All right, let's see here. Let's see. All right, cool. So yeah, I haven't went over SPY yet. I kind of want to get rid of all this. I'm not sure what I'm looking at right now. Okay. Actually, this was the play from yesterday. So yeah, this was the play from yesterday. But let's get rid of this. And let's... What, a 2 hour chart? Let's see. All right, okay, I do see the 2 hour. The 2 hour looks good. 2 hour doesn't look bad. Personally, so yes, we could have a box here. I wish this was a little bit more... better points of contact, but hold on, let's see here. What the crazy thing about this one is I still like it. So I get, yesterday we had a great move to the downside. We caught that on live stream or whatever. We gave an entry in the Discord, but honestly, I would love to see if we could finish this full move. For me, I do want to see a nice candle close for this on SPY. I personally might not get in if it's just, just gonna fly down. If I do, it'll be like a lotto play. Yo, Rich, what's up, bro? Do you still want me to go over SPX? If you do, let me know, bro. I got you, man. We can definitely go over that. So I did see that. Hold on, let's see. 2 hour. So yeah, if I took it on a 2 hour, I would take it above this 687, but we would have to do a 2 hour close. If I took it on this 1 hour, could take it above this 688 and then trying up for this 688.77, but then we do got another little move here that we would have to break above to end up going up to here. So this is like a very small move as well, nothing crazy. If I end up taking this one, I would try to leave a little lotto, see if we can hit that 690 and even more. Do you think we stay in range today again? Honestly, so yesterday I think we stayed in a little bit of range with a lot of trades. I feel like we might, just a bit. We might get like maybe 1 or 2 decent moves today, but then I feel like we might end up chopping after. All right, so we'll see here. So SPY, we did that. All right, we got to do IWM. I got you guys. I feel like you all are screaming through the phone, like, bro, do IWM and shut up. No, I'm kidding. All right, so yeah, we'll do this. We'll do NVIDIA and then Lulu. We'll go over those as well. All right, let's see here. So IWM. All right, so everyone knows that what we established here. So this isn't going to be a play for right now, of course, unless it wants to do something crazy. But I'm just going to prepare for it if it does want to happen. All right, so yes, we got empty space from this 245. And then boom, empty space down to this 239. So looks good, looks decent. Yeah, we got empty space, which is down there. I'm not gonna say this is gonna happen today, but when this does happen, I'll definitely be participating for this nice little move. First 60, 90 minutes has been the window and then chop. Exactly. So shout out Catherine, she's an OG. But yeah, I will say, yeah, like the first hour or two, maybe a little less than the 2 hours. Yeah, we've had like a pretty nice moves, and then yeah, straight up chop. So, especially coming closer to what the new year, I can expect a little bit more chop. So, all right, so that's that. Let me see here. I do see something here. Okay, so there's empty space here, so there's a little pocket there, and then there's a pocket here. Boom. Personally, I like this. I'll block above that 251 up to this 252, and then I'll probably leave a little runner up to that empty space above us. It's just a lot of chop right now, a lot of these candles that I probably just really wouldn't want to enter on. Yo, yes you are. Thanks for sharing the live stream. All right, cool. So yeah, that's what I can see there. It looks good. So yeah, it's just like a lot of chop range right here. I swear I just don't want to take a trade on that. But yeah, that's just what I can see. Hopefully on this next 2-hour candle, I can end up creating a box here, and then boom, we got empty space, which is above us. So it looks really good. Not too bad, not too bad. Yo, Dustall, what's up, bro? Good morning, man. I just joined last night. Fire, bro. So, welcome to the team. Welcome to the Discord. We'll post a lot of these setups. I will say, once we post them, don't rush into them at all. Just wait for the entry, wait for the confirmation. We will let you know, pretty much. And, yeah, we'll get in and get out of these trades. And, yeah, if we do end up chopping, I won't take anything. But I do see a couple decent ones that I do like. But yeah, just honestly for me, I like to stay patient. Like this SPY play, we had to stay patient. It took, feels like 3 years for us to finish that target, but could expect a little bit more slower movement. But yeah, it came out pretty nice though. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. These codes are updated now, so, and they will be ending on the 1st officially. So. Off the weekly, monthly, and the yearly and lifetime. You can see those in the chat. Alright, so IWM, I still like the upside. Still looks good. Alright, cool, cool, cool. Lulu, let's take a look here. Yo, Allie, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Thanks for the roses and the heart me's. Diana, good to see you. Appreciate you tuning in. Hope we're all having a great, what's the date? Tuesday. Honestly, I feel like this week is going to go by really fast. Alright, so, actually, yeah, this doesn't look bad. Lulu looks actually pretty good. So I'm seeing on this weekly chart, let's see here. So yes, we are still above our level, our wall here. So above this 209, end of the week, if we can continue, looks good to this upside up to that 236. Don't want to move that. And yeah, there's an empty space, which looks really, really good. So not too bad at all. Yo, Rugged ended up posting a nice little chart in here. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, if you're new, I would go read that. So he broke this down pretty nicely. I'm going to send this in the potential setups too. Alright, cool, cool, cool. Just don't rush into anything. Let the setup come to you. Patience and listen to the team. They are the best. Yo, Marine, appreciate you, bro. That's all you, man. But yeah, we just don't like to rush. That's the whole point of it. Alright, so we'll go over this. We'll take a look here. Alright, so it doesn't look bad. Okay, yeah, looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, cool. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So yeah, we got empty space pretty much both ways. Of course, that nice little gap down. This is what I would love to take to the upside. I did see that we got a box here. Pretty much box there. So basically an area of consolidation. And the whole goal of this, at least for me, is to break outside of consolidation to go into this empty space. So definitely could have a trim at that 190. Want to see if we could possibly get up to that 192. So, you know, it looks good. Looks decent. First TP will be the entry and the exit. So it looks really good. Not too bad there. Neo looks good. Okay, cool. Yeah, I haven't looked at that yet. And yes, we'll go over some swings as well. I learned not to rush with AMD yesterday. So yeah, exactly, man. If I get into like a trade, and And let's just say if it's going, you know, pretty fast without a candle close, those will only be like lottos for me. Like if those end up losing, fine. But if those hit the targets, yeah, it would be a great, you know, payday. But for a valid confirmation, at least for me, I don't know about you guys. Obviously, just do your own research. I do like to wait for a nice candle close, whether that's on a lower time frame or for slowing down on that same time frame charted. All right, so looks good, looks really decent. Downside, yeah, we got empty space both ways. So right now we're just in that box. So want to see us break either way, either side, and that would be great. All right, okay, we'll go over. So we did Lulu. Yeah, let's go over Nike. Let's take a look there. So yeah, so for Nike, we are pretty much, you know, heading our way up. So yesterday we had a nice little, very good green candle. So very good green candle. I know some members did end up getting out, and taking profits. I still want to see if we can hit that 62.55. And then final will be that 65.42. So looks good, looks decent. We actually did this on a 1 hour chart too, so hopefully we can just stay up. That'd be great. All right, so yeah, that's on Nike, looking pretty nice. Hopefully we can close like this and just somehow get that continuation up. That would be great. So we did IWM. Okay, Lulu, Nvidia. Okay, ECDA. I'm not sure what this is, I'll be honest with you, but we'll definitely go over it. Let me see here. Let's look all the way to the. Okay, so it looks like that's where it started. Yeah, I'll be honest, I don't really see anything here that I like except for this. Yeah, this is on a 1 week chart. Not saying this will happen. Doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. I mean, I could be wrong. Could happen anytime. But yeah, there's empty space that is above us, which doesn't look bad up to this 2107 empty space, which looks good. So basically a nice big pocket if that happens. Not saying that it will, but yeah, that's like a over $1,000 move though, if it does want to go. All right, so well, yeah, we'll keep on going. So let's see here. So we got to pull up Neo. So yeah, Neo, we'll do that. Let's see here. And yes, if I did miss your entry, just let me know. Yo, Vic, what's up, bro? Just seen you commenting, man. All right, so that's. I do want to keep up this here. So Nvidia's upside, and then ON. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll go over those. All right, cool. So for the upside on Nvidia here, so yeah, this is what I like. I kind of want to see above this 188. So if we can get a nice candle close outside this wall, outside this box, and then yeah, we got some empty space up to that 192. Might have a nice little trim, you know, going up if we end up getting this. But yeah, it looks good, looks decent. So above that 188, it's, you know, body candle, wick, body candle, and then looks like another body candle that's trying to form here. So yeah, looks good. And then downside on that 186. That's what I can see there. That's if that wants to happen, of course. All right, so all right, yeah, Neo. Yeah, Neo did its thing already. So yeah, we had this nice clear body candle outside this wall here. We shot up to those targets. Let's see. Let me look at something for the next round. Problem is overall market looking weak. So yeah, I would expect a little bit of chop. So that's why, you know, for this week I don't really want to, you know, rush into anything, or I don't really do that anyways. But I'm just gonna, you know, just wait for the entries, and if they come, cool, I'll take them. If not, then I won't take them. Alright, so we already seen this play hit, boom. My final target was already hit. But now that's irrelevant. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. And then we'll go to this 24 hour. So I will say it doesn't look bad. Are you not taking the FEG that's set up right now? I will be honest, I don't trade fair value gaps. I mean, I know they're like pretty much called the same thing, but I only trade the Potter box here. So we're trading basically into the empty space. Slower, lower volume week. Dude, exactly, man. So yeah, it's all expected for sure. So after holidays, after the new year, I feel like we're gonna get some really decent moves. So yeah, I'm not really too worried, man. This week hasn't been bad already. It's been pretty good so far. So we'll just have to see how things play out. All right, so let's see here. All right, so I would need like a 24-hour candle breaking outside this 586 for us to go up to that 721. So that's what I can see there, which looks pretty decent. Looks like we're almost there. I'm gonna keep this actually written down. It actually looks really good. Who created the Potter box strategy? It was actually Harry Potter that did. No, I'm kidding. Shout out Potter Stocks. Give him a follow. He might be on live now, I think. So you can tell him. Tell him to say what's up, dude. But yeah, Potter Stocks, great guy. I just utilize it with my own analysis, things of that sort. You can see what we pretty much do here. If they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. And that's pretty much it. He said, "You're dude." Exactly, man. But yeah, all glory to God, man. All glory to Jesus, bro. I'm just glad I'm here. Grateful, man. All right, so we did NVDA, we did Neo. Okay. ON. I think we got to do this as well. Let's see here. 24-hour chart. Okay. All right. I got it. Let's see here. Did not mean to turn that off. We'll turn that back on. All right, so yeah, we got empty space, which is honestly it's below us. So 1 second here. It's a long password. All right, let's see here. So under that 46.16 down into this 41.64. Sorry, I can't even read right now. All right, yeah, that's what I can see there, which looks good. All right, perfect. So yeah, right now we're just in this range. We're in this box, so yeah, got to be very careful with this little player. Yo, MB, yep, got you. No worries. MSTR. We'll pull that up. Which ones did I haven't gone over yet? I feel like I haven't gone over a few of these. So AMD, yeah, AMD is definitely one of those. So AMSTR, NVDA, yep, we can do that again. I got you. So yeah, to briefly go over it. Yo, Uncle Will, what's up, bro? Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you. All right, so yeah, we're in this box now, which is a great sign for me. Want to see if we can break outside of this box and then go into this empty space, which is above us. And yeah, it looks good. So right now we're just inside of this consolidation. And I want to see if we can break outside. Nice kind of close, and then empty space is above us there. All right, cool. Yo, Rug just dropped some gems. Yeah, I'm posting all these, so you'll see them. Yeah, that looks really good. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, cool. And obviously, yes, there's that downside if sellers want to take control. So we're pretty much at seller's control right now. So if we end up dropping, boom, those sells could end up going into this box here. But it really just depends on what the market wants to do. I don't care where it wants to go, as long as it goes somewhere. I'll be a happy camper. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you. Appreciate you tuning into the live stream, bro. Or sis, whatever. Alright, cool. Let's see here. AMD. Alright, bro. So AMD, we're still in this box. So yeah, you know, there are a few, you know, play stocks that are still inside of consolidation. This one is one of them. So as for yesterday, yeah, I did want to go down to this empty space, but we couldn't get that close. I still like that 2 hour, 1 hour. If I took that, would want it to break under that 210.37. And then 30 minute, pretty much going to be that same thing, 210.34, 37 area. So I still like it. It still looks good. We're just inside of this box. I do like this downside from that 211 down to that 203, which looks good. So yeah, it's still having a little bit of trouble. He said anywhere but sideways. So yeah, if we see this, or at least for me, if I see this, I don't know about you guys and gals, but if I see us going back and forth like this, I would not be taking that. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, we got to go over Uber and then SPY. Cool. Uber. So we did A and B, SPY. Let's do it. If it'll work, that'd be great. Also, we got to do MSTR too. So yes, we'll do MSTR as well. All right, let's see here. Uber on the 1 hour chart. Okay, it looks like I already have something here on this. Pretty much I got both ways, honestly. So hold on, I think I actually did this on a 2 hour, 4 hour. Okay, so on the 2 hour, honestly I could use a 1 hour candle close. But yes, under that 80.31, that's what I would like down to the 78 area. Obviously, yes, I think I did this on the 1 hour, at least for the upside. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, still looks good, still looks decent. Hold on, let me make sure I'm right. So actually I did this on the 2 hour, but that 1 hour pretty much lines up the same way. I get it, it's an overlapping box, which is perfectly fine. It's just a box. Don't let it scare you. So yeah, above that 83 area. So if we can get that nice candle close above that wall. Yeah, we got empty space up to that 84.91. So yeah, that's what I like there, which looks good. All right, cool. So yeah, that's what I like there. That's on Uber. Right now, yeah, we're in some range. So yeah, I've got to be careful on that. All right, so MSTR. Let's take a look here. Okay, I do remember doing this one yesterday. So we're almost, yeah, we're almost there. So we're not there yet. I just don't really see anything, or I didn't see anything that I liked here until we got down here. So there's a nice move. We just had to scroll in and squint. So yeah, we had this clear gap up here. What? All these green candles. This is what I would like to take to the downside. This literally looks like the play we had yesterday. Clear gap up. MSCR, clear gap up. Literally the same trade. I want us to break under our consolidation and then boom. Want that downside there. So same thing there. We just haven't got anywhere close to this entry at this 143. So if we can get that, man, yeah, it looks good. Upside too. So yes, I do remember we had some upside. So just give me 1 second. Hold on, okay. So obviously, you know, yes, there's a box here. I'm not even gonna BS anyone, but yeah, there's a box here above that 170 up to this 176. So it may look like a small move, but $6 move, but not too bad. So that's that. I did also see that. So this is like a higher time frame trade, the 24-hour chart. Now this is something I do like above that 203.70. Yeah, it looks good up to that 238. So that's what I like. Right now, both ways we're just inside of consolidation. So I would just be staying away from consolidation. All right, cool. Rug is going ham today on these charts, guys. We're seeing the same thing, by the way. Yeah, they look good. They look pretty good. All right, cool. And yes, if anyone has any requests, now's the time to drop these in the comments. I do see a couple of these comments, though. All right, Fritz, what's up, bro? INTC. All right, we did that. We did SPY. So yeah, we did SPY. Let me see where the Q's are. Q's doing its thing here as well. All right, so yeah, looks good. All right, yeah, there's a couple boxes that I do like, that I do see. All right, hold on. So there's pretty much a little wall there. Empty space above us. 1 hour looks good. Oops, not me to do that. Yeah, looks good. All right, hold on. I'm gonna pull up that sand. Hold on, let me make sure. SD and okay, cool. SLV. Got you, bro. 1 second here. And then we're gonna pull up what? Amazon. Yep, got you, Glenn. Good to see you, bro. All right, perfect. All right, so I'm gonna pull up one more. I do want to see where Tesla is. Give me 1 second here. Just gonna see where we're currently sitting at right now. All right. Yeah, Tesla doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look bad at all, actually. Okay, cool. Sounds good. And then HD and Meta. Yep, got you guys. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Gonna grab me some more water. Things of that sort. Maybe grab me some fruit too as well. Yeah, just give me 1 second. If you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. Join the free chat, the VIP chat. Free chat is there. VIP, we do have these codes that will be ending on the 1st, so see that in the Discord. Links in the bio for everything. If you don't want to do that, I still will be on live, so just make sure to tune into the live streams if you don't want to do any of that. All right, so yes, we're gonna. I'll be right back here. All right, cool. And yes, we got to do SOFI. I got to pull this up too as well. Hold on, let's see. All right, SOFI. Uncle Chris, I got you, bro. All right, cool. All right, 1 second here. Make sure to do your own research if you do plan on joining. And if you don't, still do your own research. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. All right, so he said, link in bio, join Telegram. I don't know. I mean, you can join. I probably won't. My bad. I grabbed some Asian Jello. It's pretty good. Has anyone ever had these before? It's really good. All right. Anyways, my bad. Okay. So on SOFI, we got some empty space. We're still inside of this chop, bro. So yeah, pretty much same play. We've been looking for the past couple weeks, it feels like. So yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the upside. So above that 27.79, that's what I would like, which looks good. Up to this 29.21. So that's what I can see there. We just haven't, made our way up. And, for me, this is not something for me to rush. I mean, I could have like an early entry and then get some crazy timeout. But I'll just wait for my entry, honestly. Hold on, let's get rid of that. That'll be great. So yeah, empty space that is currently above us, which looks good. And yes, below us, this is what I do like. So I think I went down to a 1 hour. Let me see here. So yeah, 1 hour on that 26.21 down to that 25.50. So not the craziest move, but yeah, empty space is there as well. He said GTA 6 is gonna... Dude, honestly, if that happens, that'd be crazy. All right, yeah, let's see. All right, let's see here. 1 second. All right, cool. So INTC, I think we did this on a 24-hour. Yo, David, what's up? Yeah, I got you, bro. 1 second here. Yeah, I think I did this on 24-hour chart. So there's this 4-hour as well. 24-hour just seeing basically a wick body candle, and then above that 37.57 up to that 41.05. So yeah, another chart that's still in range. If we can break outside of that range, yeah, it looks good to me. I do like that empty space that is above us, so it looks really good. All right, SNDK, so SanDisk. All right, we might have to. Oh no, let's look left. Okay, that's it for the charts. So we might have to go to a lower time frame to break this down. So maybe a nice 1 hour, 2 hour chart. Okay. 2 hour doesn't look bad. Doesn't look terrible. Okay, I got it. The 1 hour looks good. Yes, I do see that there's a pocket here. So above that 246, we could go to that 250. I do see. I like this the most. So yeah, we got a box there. Yeah, looks good. So above that 252, empty space above there. That's what I can see, which looks decent. Yo, PutBro Media guy, what's up, bro? He said INTC. Yep, gotcha, man. Price you're up, bro. Why do you like that the most? Well, no. I like that setup the most for that chart, but not my favorite setup out of all charts, if that makes sense. So yeah, INTC above that 37.57 up to that 41.05. So yeah, I do remember just doing this one. If we want the lower time frame, we definitely could have a lower time frame too. So there's a little pocket here that we'll just have to break above, and then yeah, empty space. So if we wanted to, yes, it's just an overlapping box. Don't let it scare you. It's just a box, guys. But above that 36.94. Could see up to that 37.46, and then I'll try to leave those runners, which don't look too bad. Not too bad here. All right, yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. So, all right, so SOV. All right, so on this, we do got this crazy gap. I know that everyone's been talking about this gap here, which, you know, still looks good. I will say, it looks like, hold on, it looks like we already broken outside of our box. So here's what I think. What I'm seeing chart-wise, at least. So it looks like we broke outside of our wall, and looks like we are into the empty space above us, which looks good. So what am I targeting? Basically this gap down here. So we broke it outside this box. Hold on, let me look at this first target first. So yeah, we broke above. I feel like we might end up retesting this wall here. So I definitely wouldn't want to answer unless if we can have that nice retest, which looks really, really good. So yeah, for today, looks decent, looks great. Want to see if we're going to retest this 68.76 for that upside. So kind of like there was a play from yesterday. It was on Tesla, I believe. Hold on, let's see. So you can see we had this play here for Tesla, these Tesla puts. This was a nice little call out from yesterday. Clear gap up. We actually closed under on the 30-minute chart. So we closed under on that, and then I wanted a retest. So I just told him, look, I'm ready for a retest. We ended up retesting. We went back into the wall a bit, and then we ended up dropping, and then we had that retest entry. And yes, you can see what happened there, and then that's what I would, you know, like for it to happen, and you can see the aftermath of that play and how we called it out. So was a nice little play on that. Yo, Nabs, thanks for the unfollow, appreciate it. For me, so it looks like we're trying to retest here. I would love to have a retest entry, so where I circled that, that 68.76. Not telling anyone to get in or out of trade, so just make sure to do your own research. Obviously, no, I'm not in this, but if we can have a nice retest and then pretty much a bounce from this, that's what I would like from that. So kind of like that play, just pretty much the opposite, I guess you could say. All right, cool, cool, cool. So SOFI, looks like we're trying to have a move here. Just a small move, nothing crazy. All right, let me take a look. I'm gonna take a look at keys again. I think we did SanDisk. Hold on, let's see. Let's see, I think we did. Hold on, let me take a look. Okay, yeah, we did this. Yeah, so I still like it, looks good. Above that 252 up to that 260. I do see that, you know, on SanDisk here, we got another little box. Above that 246 up to this 250. So actually not a bad move. I'm pretty much just seeing this right now, but yeah, another little move here if we do want to get that nice little play to the upside. Yo, Justin, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. So yeah, got the empty space, which looks really good. All right, hold on. Let's see where. So we gotta go over Amazon. I do want to see where the keys are. Let's see what we're doing or what we're not doing on this. All right, let's see here. I still like this 614. I'm going to keep this level here. 3-hour chart, absolutely not. So yeah, we do see that we do have a 619 down to this 616. So there's another little empty space move. If I end up taking this one, I would love a nice candle close for this. So I probably won't chase to it. Want a nice close. If it leaves me, that's fine. And then boom, let's say if I do end up missing that, there is this nice little play on this downside. That's very clear on that 1 hour, 614 down to that 611 area. So yeah, looks good. We'll just have to see how things will play out with these trades. I do like the upside a little bit better for today, though. If we end up getting that, looks really good. Yo, Yaz, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Yaz He's an OG inside of our Discord, bro. Hold on, maybe I should write some things down. Give me a second here. All right, yeah, we got a couple good plays for today, I would say. If we want to react, if we want to get some nice reactions. Hold on, let's see. I think I sent them all in the chat, so I sent them all in the potentials. And Rug is still going crazy with all the charts, so make sure to keep an eye on those. Let me see here. Nvidia looks good. Yeah, it looks good, man. I definitely keep an eye on it. So honestly, so yeah, you killed it from the play that we had. What, I think it was Friday. So yeah, clear gap down, man. Yeah, we'll be looking for the same thing. Hopefully we can complete the full move this time, bro. So yeah, that's what I will be looking for. Yeah, you did great on that. So that was on what, Friday, and then I think it ended up hitting it twice. So only ended up taking that trade once though. All right, so we did INTC, NDK. We did that. Tesla looks pretty dandy. Yeah, Tesla looks good. So yeah, a lot of these charts are still in boxes, guys. So just got to be really careful. All right, 1 second here. 1 second. One second here. All right, cool. Can't see the. Oh, dude, my bad. Dude, I didn't even notice that. Hold on. Yeah, that'll be great if you could all see what I'm looking at. Yeah, that'll be perfect. All right, there we go. Let me zoom in a bit. I know the numbers may be a little bit blurry on that on your end. All right, yeah, there we go. So yeah, 30-minute chart looks good. We got empty space above us and below us. Right now, we're just in that box. So want to see if we can break outside that 461 to the downside, or if we break above that 464 to that 467, and then may end up leaving a lotto runner to try to reach this upside if it wants to happen. So yeah, it looks good. All right, so let's see here. Amazon. Oh, dude, yeah, we're supposed to go over this as well. See a 24-hour chart really quickly. All right, no, we didn't do the 24-hour. Yo, Mal, what's up? Are we looking for a what-minute close before entering after the consolidation break? It really just depends on the setup. So there will be a lot of times I do like to wait for the same time frame charted candle closure if we're moving steadily. If we're moving a little bit faster and the play looks like it's going to hit really soon, then I'll go down to a lower time frame and find an entry. So that's how I do it. So like if I'm on the 24-hour chart, so yeah, let's just say, boom, like this is just a good example here. Like boom, 4-hour. I think I did this on the 4-hour. So yeah, 4-hour chart. Like for this play here, man, I would love that 238 close. This is something that I've been waiting for a while. To the upside, I would love that 4-hour close. But if we're moving pretty fast, I might go down to a 30-minute, maybe a 1-hour chart to see if we can get the lower time frame entry. And you can see, is there anything stopping us? Yes, there is. So if I take this on the lower time frame, I would have to break above that 238.76, and then boom. Let's go down to the lower time frames and then see if there's anything stopping me. And if there is, just gotta trade those accordingly. Please. What are you saying please for, man? All right, so yeah, Amazon, we did that. I do like above us too, so right here. You want to look at Costco? Yes, sir. Good man. Got you, bro. So yeah, above that 233, we got empty space up to that 235, which looks good. So that's what I can see there. And yes, I think there was a little bit of downside. So yeah, Amazon has been playing around for, feels like, years, but you can see we're in chop. I'm not taking a trade on this, not doing it. But yeah, under that 230, down to that 228 looks good. All right, hold on, let's see. SLV, and then guys want to see Costco. Yep, Costco. All right, let's do it. So SLV. Okay, so I still like this upside. I do want to see if we can. So yeah, we already closed outside of our box here, but now it looks like we're trying to retest. So this is why I circled this little wall here. So we'll love a nice retest, a nice push back up into this empty space, and then yes, we have that little move here. So I would love to see if we can get a nice little closure. But yeah, if we go back into the box, could see a little bit of downside. So looks good. But if we close like this, so let's say if we get a nice close like this, then I probably would want to take it above this. Wait, hold on. Did not mean to move anything. All right, cool. I was like, hold on, why is that there? All right, so yeah. If we end up closing like this, let's say if we end up having a red candle like that, then I would love to take it above that 69.15 for us, that upside there. So looks good, looks decent. That's what I would want to do on that. All right, cool. So that's on SOV, and then Costco. I think there was something here, man. So actually, you know, this downside ended up doing its thing. So I think we did this on a weekly chart. So yeah, Costco, clear gap up. We ended up dropping down into this target here. Looks like we were rejecting the wall. So if we end up getting this continuation, do want to see if we can end up hitting that 849 and then that 822 again. But on a, let's see, we can definitely go down to a lower time frame, maybe a 4 hour, 2 hour. Let's see here. All right, so you said wait till you find out about things that's called time zones. Yeah, that's funny. All right, so let's see here. Top bottom walls under that 867. Sorry. Looks like we already closed under. We'll see how things react at open, but yeah, we got empty space, which looks really good. So down from the 867 down to this 854, which looks good. So if Costco wants to get that drop, that's what I could see. So I know a lot of times at open we might like to retest things at first. So if we end up doing that, we'll love to see a nice retest entry. So boom, go back into the box and then reject this level, and then we'll love to see if we can finish this downside pretty much. But yeah, that's what I can see. Looks good. All right, IWM. Let's take a look here. IWM. All right, so in the next 36 minutes, we might have a nice box here. So this could be a box if we can get this closed. So that's what I like there. And then if we can close like this, we got empty space from this 250. Personally, would try it up to this 251 and then leave those runners there. But if we don't get that close, and if we keep on skyrocketing, we want to see above that 251 up to that 252, and then might end up leaving a lotto runner trying to reach that upside. So looks good. All right, cool. So yeah, that's on IWM. Obviously, yes, downside. I know everyone's going to ask about the downside too. I don't like the downside unless we get that 245. There's smaller gaps here that I could go into, but this is a nice bigger move that looks really good. So yeah, it's not bad at all. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning into the live stream. I got a lot of typing to do. Rug pretty much dropped out a lot of those charts. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I will be inside of the Discord now. I'll be on live stream in another hour or so you can make sure to join my free live stream if you want. If you want to join the free Discord, link is in the bio. VIP chat, we got those crazy codes that will be ending on the 1st. So yeah, see you all in the Discord or my next live stream. All have a blessed one. See you all.